Oh no, oh no, oh no. Yo, 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 oh no, you didn't. Sucker tried to blame me, but you never paid me, never. Oh no, you didn't. Payback is a coming, you will be running forever. Oh no, you didn't. Until I get my vengeance.
Hey YouTube, JT here. It's time for another EDC update. Alright, so I put away the Glock HK USP 45 compact tactical or counter terrorist threaded barrel with a Vortex accurizer flash hider. Real cool gun. Okay, 2 spare mags. Let's see, primary knife Emerson CQC11 UT-Com. Alright, secondary knife Kershaw Junkyard Dog 2. Alright, my light source is my Surefire 6-speed Defender. Crenulated bezel. I always like to have a tactical impact device handy besides being able to use this as a light source. Alright, multi-tool. Got my Leatherman Juice S2. Like I said before, a lot of handy tools in a small little compact package. Glasses, Oakley Montefiore. Pretty cool. Kind of like Hancock, Will Smith. Wallet, Expedition Spartan. Figure I'm going to use this for a while. Your handy keepers in there. Got my keys. Victronox Soldier. iPhone. Got Stargate going. Check it out. Tilk and Ronin clearing a house. And I've been carrying the Jawjackers around. And it's just a little toy. A novelty item. Anybody gives me shit, I'm gonna mess them up with it. Alright, when I get home, I put away the HK. I like to carry, old school 45, 1911. Alright. So, watch your 6, guys. JT out.
Oh no, you didn't. There's no second chances. You will do the dance of sorrow. Oh no, you didn't. 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 Didn't you? Oh no, you didn't pay me what you owe.